BRD, you have heard this word so many times in this series by now. Today, we stop just talking about it and actually write one together step by step in plain language. No confusing templates, no fancy business words. By the end of this video, you will be able to write your own simple BRD of any small feature, even if you have never written one before. Let's begin. Quick hello, I am Pragati. This is day 6 of our free 40 days series. Day 5 got you ready for interviews. Today we build our real skills you will use in the actual job. Writing a BRD, let's get into it. What is a BRD in simple line? So a BRD stands for Business Requirement Document. Forget that full form for a second. In simple words, a BRD is a written explanation of a problem and what needs to be built to fix it. So everyone reads the same thing and understand it the same way. That is it. It is not complicated. It is just a clear written version of communication that would otherwise happen in 10 different meetings with 10 different versions of the truth. Now let's talk about the simple parts every BRD has. A BRD sounds big, but it is really only has a few simple parts. Here they are in the simplest word possible. Number 1, title and short introduction, just the feature name and one line on what this document is about. Number 2, the problem, what is wrong today in plain language and who it is affecting. Number 3, the goal, what should be true after this is fixed. Number 4, the requirement, a clear list of what needs to be built one point at a time. Next, who is involved, which team or people this affects or needs to be approved. Next, what is out of scope, what this document is not covering, so nobody assume extra work. Next, sign off, space for the right people to confirm they agree with this document. 7 simple steps, that's the whole thing. Now let's actually write one together. Let's use a simple real feeling example, a movie ticket booking app. Imagine the business team tells you customer don't know which movie are trending near them. Let's turn that into a BRD part by part. Title and short introduction, something as simple as trending movie section. So requirement document, one line under it. This document explains the problem with movie discovery and what we are building to fix it. Next, the problem. Write it exactly like you would explain it to a friend. Customer open the app and see a long list of movies with no clear way to know what is popularly nearby. This makes them spend too much time scrolling and some customer give up and close the app. So the goal, keep this short and clear. Customers should be able to see the top trending movies in their city within the first few seconds of the opening the app. Now the requirements. This is just a simple list. For example, show a trending near you section at the top of the home screen. Then rank movies based on tickets booked in last 3 days in the customer's city. Next, update the list once every 24 hours. Next, show at least 5 and the most 10 movies in the section. Who is involved? Something simple like product team and development team and the marketing team, since this affects how movies are promoted. What is out of scope? This part protects you later. Write things like this document does not cover changes to movie search or seat section, only the new trending sections. Then sign off, just a simple line, approved by product manager and the name, engineer lead name, on date, simple but it is matter. It shows everyone agreed before we work start. Simple mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1, writing the solution before writing the problem clearly. If the problem is not clear, the solution will not make sense to anyone reading it later. Always write the problem first in the plain language. Mistake number 2, using big technical words when simple words would do. A BRD is read by business people too, not just developers. If a word's feeling too technical, replace it with a simpler one. Mistake number 3, forgetting the out of scope part. This is the most skipped part and it causes the most confusing later. When people assume things were included that were never planned. Simple template that you can reuse. Here is a short version you can copy for any feature anytime. Number 1, title, feature name, problem, what is wrong today and who it affects. Then goal, what should be true after the fix. Then requirement, simple number list. people involved, teams or names, out of scope thing, what this does not cover, sign off, name and date. Save this, use it for every practice project you build, including the portfolio case study from day 4. So to recap in simple words, a BRD is just a clear written version of a problem and it's fixed. It has 7 simple parts and you now have a template you can use immediately. In tomorrow's video on day 7, we will cover how to write simpler user story, the way agile teams actually use them. If BRDs made sense today, user story will feel even easier. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe. This is a full 40-day series, completely free, completely step by step. Tell me in the comments, try writing one part of a BRD for any app you use daily and share it below. I read every comment. See you tomorrow in day 7. Thank you so much.